This semi-detached home features 5 bedrooms, 2 baths, and is situated on a large pie-shaped lot. We have a 10-car driveway and a 2-car shop in the back, only being a stone's throw from restaurants, a movie theater, and quick highway access. I'm Jake Roberts with the Gerard team and Royal LePage. Welcome to 21 Hopewell Crescent. Please enjoy the tour. This newly renovated home features a brand new kitchen, open concept floor plan with hardwood flooring, and a walkout off the master bedroom to a large deck and a hot tub. Once again, I'm Jake Roberts with the Gerard team. If you have any questions or would like to book a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.